Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you my Alice in Wonderland Traveller's Notebook that I've made. Second video on this because my first one was way too long and I wasn't playing around with doing it on the computer and taking 3 hours to upload. So I'm going to try and do this within 15 minutes. Last one was 18.5 minutes or something like that. So anyway, I've used a journal kit from ARTYmaze. I've also used some elements from Dreamzetc, and I will link them both below. The kit is the main kits that I use in this is ARTYmaze. She also has a full-size journal in this and the Traveller's Notebook size. So that is the cover, and I actually sewed some black cardstock onto this one. You can see we've got some pom-pom trim and some of the cotton tails are all on here, can all be trimmed off. This will be listed in my shop, and I have a 10% discount running from today, the 20th of August to 31st of August 2018, and it is back to school BK2 SKOOL, and I will put that below as well if you're interested. So let's go inside. Actually, before we go inside, I've used these kind of puffy stickers to spell out Alice. The lock here is glossy accented, and this page was a full-sized page, and I just shrunk it down so that I could use it on my front cover. There's an envelope on the back which I inked up with black soot from Tim Holtz, and we just got these two rosette trim flowers on here. So we go inside, try and do this quick. Black cardstock in the inside cover. This is from the kit. Got some pom-pom trim here, and we have a little envelope that I made from one of the journal pages from the kits. This is one of the journal cards, and I just made a little pocket out of that. This is from the kit as well, and it's a little tea bag tab, and I just stapled that on there. You can see the stitching on the page. Lots of sewing in this one. Tag from the kit, another tag from the kit, little envelope from the kit, little journaling card inside, and we have, this is a half page that I have then decoupaged this on with. In the kit you get a sheet like this, so that's what I used on that one. I used more of them throughout. I've been watching Andrea, who is ARTYmaze, do her process videos of how she does her journals, so I like how she's been doing that, so I kind of copied that, so thank you for that, Andrea. And again here I just decoupaged Alice on there as well. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and it's the ledger paper. If you go onto a website, which will be linked below, excuse me, you can go into the freebie section. She's got some freebies on there. Here we have a tag from the kit, and this is an envelope that I made. It's kind of looking really old, which was the aim. This was from the kit on that printout page. Some washi tape here that I got from the lovely Monique, who is Steel Crafting here on YouTube. I just stamped, stenciled, decoupaged this on, stuck some washi tape on there. That's actually what made me want to do the Alice in Wonderland journal, the washi tape, because I got that last week and I thought, right, I'm going to make an Alice in Wonderland journal. Little envelope from the kit, there's nothing inside, it's just popped in there. This little tag is from Etsy, and I can't remember the name of the seller. There is a page from the kit, you can see the stitching, decoupaged the hat on here. Have a tag that is from Dreamzetc, and jelly bean soup pocket with a journaling card on there from the kit, tag from the kit, and a little mason jar. This is a belly band, but I didn't use it as a belly band, I just used it to decorate this flap. And I have this, this is a, what's that called again? A bookmark, and I just made a little booklet out of that. There's another one somewhere else in the journal, and done some stitching. Doily, a paper bag from Monique, thank you. Lined paper, some pom-pom trim. This is the image that I used on the front cover, only this is the Traveller's Notebook size. Pocket from the kit, journaling card from the kit. It's all been sewn onto some coffee dyed lined paper. Tag from the kit. This was left over from a previous Alice in Wonderland journal that I made, so I just popped that in there. It's a half page here, some washi tape, some stenciling, some music paper, some washi tape here that flips out. There is still lots of places to journal. Some ledger paper. I need to get my hands on some more of this. If anyone in the UK knows where you can get that, because I've looked in Staples and it's not there. Doily paper bag, little ticket tuck here with some black lace there, some squared paper. Here I made the 3 pockets, haven't done that in ages. First time I'd seen this was from Marianne Kensington, who I'm not sure if she's still going by that name or a pocket full of vintage. She had used that in one of her journals, the layout like that, so I've used it a few times. I thought I'd use it again today. You can see it's all been stitched. There is a tag in that one, but there isn't in the other 2. No, this one doesn't want to go in. It went in and out on the first round of this video. Journal page from the kit, just shrunk down teeny weeny bits so that it would be a pocket. This was from, I think this might have been from Etsy. Centre of the signature, and we've got some hearts on a string, created pockets here, and this is from Dreamzetc, Etsy or Pinterest. And the tickets here I've used on this tag to create a little pocket. Ticket is from the kit. And on this side we have another tag that's from Dreamzetc. This is either, I think that's Etsy. And we have a little pocket here with the tag, the ticket, sorry. And then we have another pocket here. This I know is from Pinterest. Pockets here, I don't normally use them like that, but Andrea uses hers like that, and I thought I would try that. And in this one we just have some envelopes, and there's nothing inside them. I think I used, no, there wasn't journaling cards with this, it was the little T tabs that you had with that one, well, on that page. Doesn't want to go in, and that one goes in there. So I've left it so that the flaps of these little envelopes just fold over onto there, like so. Just made a little pocket here with a little journaling card here. That's just a pure decoration journaling card from the kit. A doily, some more of this ledger, another flip out with the belly band which is completely glued down. Little envelope here from the kit. There's nothing in it. Had to stop adding bits because it was getting too chunky. Ticket from the kit. Didn't cut that off properly. And that just pops in there. Half page again with some stenciling, some stamping, some washi tape. Pocket with some pom-pom trim. As you can see, I've left all the tails of the cotton on there. Mason jar, journaling card, and this is from Dreamzetc, and that just pops in there. Lovely page from the kit, some more black pom-pom trim, some lined paper, paper bag from Monique, doily. Here we just have another jelly bean soup pocket and 2 tags from the kit. Just going to tuck that in there. Some more stitching and stenciling. That flips out. There's another bookmark that I've just made into a little booklet, and that's just paper clipped on there. Little tag with some washi tape there. And this paper is the other side of the ledger. from ARTYmaze. Some more washi tape here, pocket that I created, and then just decoupaged this on. And again, that's from the sheet that you get from the kit, or with the kit. The little tea bag tab, and a tag from the kit, another tag from the kit, and a double journaling card from the kit. And that is the back. So that's the journal. Kind of chunky, isn't it? So like I said, I will link below ARTYmaze and Dreams etc. I'll also put my discount code down for 10% off, and obviously the link to my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.